In this video, I will be showing how you can connect and view AHD cameras on a computer over a Wi-Fi network without having a physical or cable connection between the DVR and the computer. These are two AHD cameras that I have connected to this DVR through the video inputs on the DVR here. And I have displayed the output of the two cameras on the screen, as you can see. Because we want to view the AHD cameras on a computer over a Wi-Fi network, we need a Wi-Fi router like this one, having LAN ports through which we can establish physical connections. So this is the router or the Wi-Fi we are going to use. Using a network cable, I would establish a connection from the Ethernet port of the DVR into the network port or a LAN port on the router as well. So what this means is that the videos of the camera coming into the DVR would be transferred or would be available on the router. The network interface port of the DVR is also flashing, which indicates an active connection here. So we'll now go onto the computer to carry out the next settings. I would first of all turn on my computer's Wi-Fi. So I'll try and turn it on so that my computer will be connected to the router we have connected to the DVR. And you can find here that the router, which is named Tech Inside Out, or the Wi-Fi network of the router is named Tech Inside Out, and is connected, or the computer is connected to that router. And we also need a video management software, or a VMS, through which we can view the cameras on the computer. I have one here, which is the VMS 6100 installed on my computer. I got that software for free at jovisionsecurity.com. When you scroll down under the downloads tab, you can find the VMS 6100 to install on your computer for free. Now let's try to launch the video management software, which is the VMS 6100. So I'll double click at it to launch it up. This is a login page of the VMS 6100. I have created a user account on the software. My username is Ben, and I will input my password. And I will log in. We are now at the home page of the software. The first point of call will be to go to device management. So I'll click on device management. And at the bottom here, you can see a device already detected because we are now having the computer connected to the same router on which the DVR is connected. So this is the DVR, which has been found by the software. So double click at the DVR to add it up to the software. So I'll double click at it. It requires that I put in the password, that is a username and password of the DVR. I have maintained the default username and password, of which the username is ABC and the password is 123. So I'll click at OK to add it up. The device has now been added at the top here, requiring that we modify the password, but I will leave it for now at the default password. In order to be able to view the live preview or the preview of the cameras, we need to go back to the home page of the software. So click at these 4 squares at the top here, and we'll now come to video preview. We'll open it up, and here is the device or the DVR listed at this point. So we can click at this drop down arrow, and we can further double click on the device that is listed here, or the DVR, to load up the cameras. So let's double click at the DVR, and you can find the DVR's interface loaded up. And a wave at the cameras, you can see it also showing on the computer as well. As you can see, there is no connection on the laptop. There's no physical connection. The only connection we have here, when I wave, the only connection we have here is the Wi-Fi connection, or the connection of the computer to the Wi-Fi network of the router on which the DVR is also connected. And so this is how you can connect your AHD camera or the analog cameras to your computer over a Wi-Fi without using cable or direct cable connections between the router and the computer.